watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems.
All right. So that was part of the test. Shoot. All right. Both stations relayed. Almost forgot about that. Almost forgot that the test was today. You can see this carpet was messed up because I almost fell on my face. Literally bolting up the stairs. Record it. That was fun. We should do this again next time. Pilgrim EAS, we're out.